With over 40 years of experience, Sedatelec provides cutting-edge equipment that is designed and manufactured in France to assist in the development of complementary medicine worldwide. This is the PREMIO 32D, a painless biostimulation cold laser for dental care, stomatology and orthodontics use. The device operates with a rechargeable battery that can last 10 hours with continuous emission. It is delivered in a carry case with 2 sterilizable optical fibers, 2 stimulation keys, protective goggles, laser emission tester, a European, UK or US wall charger, a stainless steel base and a user manual. This soft laser has several features. Infrared laser emission at a wavelength of 905 nanometers, ensuring a safe and deep penetration of the stimulation without being absorbed by the water, the hemoglobin or the melanin. Short power emission pulses of 80 nanoseconds to avoid any heating. The short superpulsed pulses impart 1 joules per square centimeters per minute of energy. The laser biostimulation boosts protein synthesis, increases diffusion of cytokines and neuromediators and encourages cell oxygenation. To turn the device on, press the on-off button. The orange LED indicates the charge level. If the orange indicator light is steady, it is fully charged. When the light is blinking slowly, it is half full. When the light is blinking quickly, it is unloaded. When handling the laser at less than 30 centimeters from the eyes, the patient must wear protective goggles. Insert an optical fiber. Then insert the dental laser key for the intraoral sphere. Press the on-off button. Select the suited program by pressing the arrow button. Antal, to reduce the chronic or sharp pain. Regen, to accelerate tissue reconstruction, healing and regeneration processes and reduce inflammation. Relax, to relax muscular tension and contractions. Nausea frequency scanning for a universal program. Press the light button to start the laser emission. Apply perpendicularly to the area to be stimulated in contact with clean and healthy skin, or approximately 1 centimeter depending on the use. A white target light indicates the stimulated area. A click and an orange LED will both confirm the laser is emitting. There is a beep every 30 seconds. Recommended stimulation time for an area of about 1 square centimeters. The device can be used outside the mouth, with or without the fiber, by inserting the body key in place of the dental key. You can check the laser emission at any time. To do so, remove the laser key, insert the laser test plug in the device, connect the laser key to the laser test, press the on-off button, then the emission button. You will hear a continuous clicking sound. Apply the laser beam to the laser test cell. The beep changes according to the frequencies and thus indicates that your device can be used. To turn the device off, press the on-off button for 2 seconds. It automatically switches off after 2 minutes without use. To charge your device, remote the laser key. Insert the charger plug in the device and plug the charger into the power socket. The charger indicator light will turn from red to green when the battery is fully charged. Allow approximately 3 hours to completely charge the unit. The device cannot be used while it is charging. The PREMIO 32D is a user-friendly device that is easy to handle and ready for use instantaneously. A rapid stimulation of 30 seconds per square centimeters, no need for consumables. This device is perfect for improving your patient satisfaction thanks to its quick and painless analgesic action. For more information, please visit www.sedatelec.com.